Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're installing a Samco hose kit on my Suzuki. This is a new build to the YouTube channel, but this is an old project of mine. It's my old race bike. And basically I crashed it down at the ridge when one of my old coolant lines exploded and spewed water all over my tires, lost control, ended up tumbling down a ditch. So let's cut to some photos of that. So with having to rebuild it, I thought let's put a fresh new set of hoses on there so we never have to worry about that happening ever again. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so we got the hoses here, and I'm going to put a link in the description to sportbiketrackgear.com where I purchased the Samco hose kit from. So that way you guys can check out all the other stuff that they provide, and great service and quick shipping. So here's some tools. I'm sure I'll have to come back to grab some more. Basically it's a 6mm socket for the factory hoses on there, and then some extensions, ratchet and screwdrivers here. Pretty straightforward. Let's open up this bag and see what clips these are here. Size of these. I prefer to use a socket instead of the I prefer the sockets instead of the screwdrivers. Just better contact, that's all. And you can see the hose clips that come from Samco here. They don't have any indents inside of here or any holes. So that way it's a nice sealed contact on here and it's not digging into anything. So highly recommend, well, you should be buying these when you buy your new kit as well. Let's check out the hoses here. Obviously, we got some stickers. Yeah, see, you guys go right here. Make sure you do not use your old ones. As you can tell by the holes here, where these ones have no holes and it's just straight through. Just flat all the way through the inside here. Make sure to pick up a kit. Alrighty, let's go get started taking off the old stuff. Make sure to always catch all of the coolant, water, whatever you have in anything, and make sure to recycle it properly. Yeah, this stuff is very detrimental to the environment. So proper recycling is a must. And that can be done at any of your recycling depots in your cities. Just look it up online. You should be able to find it. If not, Canadian Tire, Home Depot, those kind of places. If they don't do it, they'll know where to point you. And same with your local auto parts stores as well. And we'll start at the lowest point of the bike, because the lowest point is where all the fluid is. We'll start down here. Another good thing to do is to open up the cap. See, a lot more water spews out once that cap is open. because it's a race bike, we have safety wire. We need to get our clippers out and remove those. Never leave this stuff lying around. Best thing to do is have a spare bottle, empty bottle or can with you, and stuff your safety wire in there so you're not poking any of your tires out. What I like to do, grab a little bit of grease on the edge, and that's going to help slide on. And as long as it's on the male end, the female end will slide over and you're not going to get anything back into the system here. Seating the hose, you want to make sure that you're over the nipple here and that you have some hose material sticking out. You don't want to be right at the end of it. You want to have some nice even contact throughout. Okay guys, we finished installing the Samco hose kit. Sorry about the video. I lost, well, my memory card got full as I was going through, because as you can saw from the last bit, I was having a little trouble with this area right here, but got it all sorted out. It wasn't much different to the video. Pretty straightforward. Just had to do a lot of fiddling around, that's all, to make it fit. Put the coolant overfill can back in. Ran all those hoses down there throughout. This is just the petcock for the fuel, don't worry about that. That's for the gas tank there. And over to the other side here. And we put the bottom hose in here, through here, and then around to there, and the top two run in between here and here to there. So all in all, not too difficult, just a lot of fiddling around. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If there's any questions, comments, or things you'd like to see more of, please leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. That's all that we have for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.